guys doing today? And thanks for tuning in to my reinstallation video. As you can see here, we got the new wheel bearing pressed in. Spins nice and free, no noise. Without any ado, let me go ahead and install this. Now that I'm getting my pinch weld bolt, my pinch weld down, I'm just tapping it down with a hammer just to get it down a little bit. I got my jack on the bottom here to give me a little bit of support. Just lightly tap, you don't have to like go too crazy. Okay, that should be in there. And then my second step is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put the axle inside. We're just gonna reverse the process of what we did last time. But before I go that far, let me go ahead and put my pinch weld bolt back in. Okay, I'm gonna give it a little tap to ready to go in. Okay. And not on the side, the other side, my 50 mil. Just get it going. Okay, now I'm gonna put my drive shaft in. A bit. Going while you're doing that, try to line it up to go in here at the same time. Should break mine. Okay. Go a bit. In like so. Okay, so it's good to lube it up if you can. I sprayed a little bit on there. Okay, I know what the problem is. Release the jack. Okay, so it's there. Just catch it with a knot. Just get it going. I'll just use the gun. Get to start sucking it in. My gun's on the lowest setting, so okay, I'll leave it there for now. So what I'm gonna try to do, I'm gonna try to line this the shot bolts. Get one ready. Push down a bit. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna push down, put my punch inside of the first hole that I catch. That was the first one. do this a little bit. Where's my screwdriver? Sorry. Top one. This one's too big. Okay, then get your hammer. Don't go too crazy. Okay. Here, pull this onto this side. Make sure your wrench is on there properly. You don't want to strip the head of that bolt. Okay. We're gonna go ahead. We're gonna torque those after we're finished. And after, you're gonna want to get a wheel alignment because you went ahead and moved these bolts here, and there's a little bit of adjustment for your alignment on your wheels. So you want to go ahead and get that checked. Okay. Now we're gonna move this caliper to the side. We're gonna turn the bit. Now we're gonna install our outer tie rod. Install the 80mm nut on the bottom here. Go ahead and run it down a little bit. Oops, get the jack out. So, 18 on there. What I was afraid of. So this ball joint's kind of blown, so. Okay, here's my wrench. What I'm basically doing, I'm applying pressure to here, because when I'm tightening the bolt down here is spinning, so I'm applying pressure down, so when I tighten it, it doesn't spin. It's going, spinning. Okay, let me see. Just gonna wedge it in a bit. what's gonna have to happen here is I'm gonna have to turn the wheel a bit. Well, I'm gonna have to stand on it and get my camera person to tighten this. There you go. Okay, hold on 1 second. Give me a second. Let me get the keys. Dangerous, so you want to be careful when you go ahead and do this. So I'm just going to stand on here